Hello, and welcome to this new section on employee experience and engagement, and the first lecture of that in this course, AI for HRM Excellence. So, the purpose of this section is to give you a good idea of how can you use AI for excellence in employee experience and engagement. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about one of the things that we can do is chatbots for HR support. And here we will take a look at how AI chatbots instantly answer employees' queries about things like policies, benefits, leave, and thereby improve the responsiveness. And in this employee experience and engagement, we're going to talk about two things. One is the employee experience, and second is the employee sentiment analysis. And employee experience, we will talk about through HR chatbots. So let's take a look at HR chatbots. How can that be used to enhance employee experience? So, how do you think AI chatbots in particular improve HR responsiveness? Any thoughts on that? So the first thing that happens is it happens by the 24/7 instant assistance. Employees can get answers anytime, night, weekends, holidays, without waiting for the HR staff. And this reduces, the email traffic and repetitive queries. And an example of this would be an employee types what is maternity leave policy and gets an official response immediately. So that's how the employee, satisfaction goes up, but through 24/7 instant assistance. Second thing that happens is natural language understanding (NLU). And what happens there? AI chatbots use NLP, to understand misspellings, like maternity leave, MATERNATY, not exactly the same spellings, right? Maternity leave, variations in phrasing, like how long can I take off after giving birth? Take off is exactly not a right word, but the AI chatbots can understand that. And they map the queries to the right HR answers. And the tools that you can use, as we will see later on, are like Lina AI, Talla, and Spoke, which who are the leaders in NLE, right? So that's the second thing that happens. Then you can also, it happens also, AI chatbots are able to do smart search and policy integrations. The chatbots are trained on internal HR documents like handbooks, benefit PDFs, time off policies, and when asked a question, the bots fetch the precise answer, not just the links or vague responses. Say, for example, if the chatbot is asked, how many vacation days do I have left? And the chatbot will connect to the HRIS and return with the exact number that's available in HRIS. So they're able to do the smart search and policy integration. The fourth thing that AI chatbots do is the personalized responses, right? And this happens because the connected to HRIS, the platforms like Workday, Bamboo HR, the chatbots, can display employee-specific information like leave balances, benefits enrolled, and route complex requests to the right HR person. So they do both. If it's simple, available information in the system, they fetch and revert to you. And if it is complex, they route you to the right HR person. Say, for example, if the employee asks a question, am I eligible for health benefits? Chatbot checks the employee's hire data and the coverage plans and reverts. So it reverts like this with a personalized response. Then there is automated workflows beyond Q&A. Chatbots can initiate requests to submit leave, book training, file IT tickets, and start onboarding workflows. Another example of this would be, one example of this would be, if the employee says, I want to apply for sick leave, the chatbot guides the process and sends it to the manager for approval. So that's the level of automation that can happen with chatbots. Then it also provides multilingual and multi-channel supports. Many chatbots, can handle multiple languages and integrate with Stack, Teams, WhatsApp, and web portals. And this ensures a consistent HR communication globally because lots of these companies are global corporations, right? So multilingual and multi-channel support is available for such global companies. Then there are real world HR chatbots. So what are these? Let's take a look at them. So, there is Lina AI, as we were talking about. It's a enterprise grade HR chatbot with policy search, personalized leave, benefit information, etc. Then there is Stella, which has integrated with knowledge bases and ticketing systems. Then there is Spoke, which is a lightweight chatbot that handles HR, IT, and ops queries. Then there is MoveWorks, which is an AI assistant for employee support, including HR policy answers. And then there is Paradox Olivia, which automates recruitment and FAQs for candidates and employees. So these are some examples. We will take a look at these in details in the next lecture. So this is just a starter. Now, you also have the bonus of security and privacy with these chatbots. Most HR chatbots are built with data privacy compliance in mind, GDPR, HIPAA, etc. And they also have role-based access that ensures only employees can see their own information. So these chatbots also offer security and privacy that is very much needed. So what do we do next? So having looked at how does AI chatbots instantly answer employee queries, we will take a look at lot more deeper about which chatbots can do that. So let's take a look at that in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on employee experience and engagement. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.